So in trigonometry, first we need a diagram, that is right angle triangle. Okay, this is your 90-degree. Let's say your vertices are A, B, and C. Okay, and let's say I'm talking about this angle C. Let's say this is X. Okay, X degree. So first thing you have to remember, in front of 90-degree, you have the longest side AC, and this
Mm.
side is known as hypotenuse. Okay,
Mm.
angle is made on BC, so this side is known as adjacent, and in front of this X you have AB, and AB is known as opposite.
Yeah.
Okay, so here sine of X is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can write this AB upon AC. Understood?
Yeah.
And cos of X is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so you can
Yeah.
write this BC over AC. And the next is tan of X. This is your opposite over adjacent. Understood?
Yeah.
So you can write it like
AB
AB
over BC.
over BC. Understood?
Yeah.
No confusion?
No.
Let me plan one question on this. Am I audible?
Yeah.
So here in this question, we need to find A. Okay. So how you
Mm.
can do this? What you will use? Sine, cos, or
One
tan?
second.
Okay, take your time.
I think in either sine or cos.
We have to use only one, no? Listen to me
Yeah.
carefully.
But they didn't give like adjacent or
Listen,
opposite.
listen. I'm telling you something. First of all, you need to identify your adjacent, hypotenuse, and your opposite. Okay.
Mm.
So here you have 27. So in front of 27, you
So
have
we are
8.
supposed to use opposite. We are supposed to use sine.
Exactly. Let me explain also. In front of this 27, you have this 8. So that is opposite.
Mm.
Okay. And this is your hypotenuse. And this is your adjacent, but you don't know. Correct?
Mm.
So you will use sine here. Sine of 27-degree is equal to opposite over hypotenuse.
One second. Okay.
So opposite is A
Two
and
sides.
hypotenuse 10, and this is your sine 27. You can use calculator, but one thing you have to remember, you have to use degree, not radian.
Okay.
So
Let
A is equal to 10 times sine of 27-degree. Simplify and tell me answer.
calculator.
You can use calculator for that. 4.53 unit. Done. No confusion now?
No.
We have to find X, and they gave this angle 32 and this angle 38. And for this first triangle, let's say I'm giving some name A, B, C, and D. Okay.
Mm.
So in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD. I'm using, let's say, 10 of 32. So 10 of 32 is equals to 10 upon AB. Make sorry, 1 second. AB upon 10, right or not?
Mm.
Opposite over adjacent, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can easily find AB. So length of AB is equal to 10 times 10 of 32. Got it?
Yeah.
So what is the answer? Tell me.
6.24.
6.24, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So AB is 6.24. Now in triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, I have opposite, and in front of 90 degree, this 6.24, that is hypotenuse.
Mm.
Correct? So I will use sine. Sine of 38 degree is equal to x upon 6.24. Understood? So
6.24. Yeah.
6.24 times sine 38 degree will give you answer. Find it.
Yeah. One second. 6.24 times sine 38.
Yes.
3.84.
Good job. This units. No
That's the answer.
confusion? That's the
Yeah.
answer. Yes. You understood now how I did
Yeah.
that? So you
Yeah.
have to think like that
Okay.
for these kind of combined shapes.